Okay, let's see your new Christmas present. Show us what you got there. What is that?
It's a Stihl MSA 120C battery. And you put a little oil in here for the bar. And you can check the battery life right here. And this is how the battery pops out right there. And you make it go. Hold this orange button in and pull the lever. Like that.
So what do you think?
Cuts like a knife on butter. Hot knife on butter.
Yeah.
It's really easy to use. And I can stack it up. As soon as I quit pushing the button, it turns off. That's a good thing.
Yeah, so that's a good
and
Christmas present then, huh?
That smells like creosote.
Yeah, that's a treated board there.
Yeah.
Probably should save that out in case you want it to put on the ground someplace.
Yeah. I think it's this one. Doesn't smell very good.
Throw it.
I'll put it right there. Whew. Yeah. Just a few at a time, and on the pallets it's like having a measuring stick here. There's a nail right there. Looks like that's it.
So, had a good Christmas present
Look at
then?
this. Look how thick that was.
Yeah.
Cut it really slick. This is a surprising place to find a Christmas present in my chicken feed. As I was feeding my chickens this morning, I opened the lid and I looked at it and going, oh, close the lid real quick.
Didn't jump out at you, huh?
No, and I opened it up and it was still there. I'm like, oh, it's for me. Oh. It was marvelous.
A little easier to start than that 180, huh?
Yeah, and it's light.
Yeah.
I can move it really simply
Yeah.
and check the battery. Well, I got it down to 3 now.
Yeah.
But look how much I cut.
Yeah. That's
pretty
quite
good.
a few cuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very happy with it.
Okay. Well, good.
Thank you. Give you another kiss. Thank you. Good present.
Better than diamonds, huh?
I can use it more.